house. This is my mother house. Get the fuck out.
It's your house. Your mother house.
This is my mother house. Yeah, and it was my house, nigga. And it's your house. So get the fuck out.
You wasn't paying bills.
Get the fuck out. So I don't need to pay bills here.
So it's not your house.
I have my own shit. I don't need to pay for nobody else's shit. Fuck you. Fuck you.
Yeah.
Like I said, fuck you. And all these bum bitches still bums, alright? Bums. Because they ain't got no money. Fuck out of here. I don't care how much money niggas say they got. They ain't got no money doing shit like that to people. Give a fuck what you talking about. Don't disrespect me. So, there's a door. Get the fuck out. I have more rights in here than you do, though. I bet that much. I'll call my mother right now and let her know.
I'm not your company.
I don't give a fuck who company you are. This is still my mama's house. And at the end of the day, you do not pay her bill. You do not fuck her pussy. So get the fuck out. You know where the fucking door is at, right? Get the fuck out.
You sound stupid right now.
Who?
You.
Who? I can call my mother and tell that bitch that you here. Alright? You can get kicked the fuck out.
She saw me coming upstairs.
So what? But she didn't know what happened.
Yeah, she thought.
Alright? And if niggas want to take shit, they need to shove it up their ass and take the doodle cream and put it in their fucking mouth.
And say that's the one we got the
fuck out of here. Yo, Capo, you about to tell this nigga something before you ain't got a fucking sister here. Don't give a fuck. No, cause he's a womanizer. Ain't no bugging out. Smacking girls is not fucking right.
Did I hit her?
He didn't even touch her.
He hit her face. I don't give a fuck if you touch her. He was getting to that point if you did not get up.
Fuck
out of here.
Fuck all y'all people in here.